Welcome to our fitness journey. Imagine waking up each day feeling stronger, healthier, and more confident. Picture your body transforming, muscles becoming more defined, and your strength increasing. Are you ready for that experience? We invite you to take this journey with us. For the next minute, we'll show you a series of inspiring images that depict the incredible transformations that can happen when you commit to fitness, particularly weightlifting. These are not just images, they are stories of determination, discipline, and the power of setting fitness goals. As you watch, dream about your own fitness journey. Visualize your goals. Is it to lose weight, gain muscle, or simply feel stronger? Whatever it is, remember that every transformation starts with a single step. Your fitness journey starts now. What's your ultimate fitness goal? Is it to build muscle, increase strength, or perhaps both? In the realm of health and fitness, setting goals is crucial. But we're not just talking about any old goals, we're talking about SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. You see, vague aspirations won't get you very far, but when you get specific, measure your progress, set achievable targets, ensure they're relevant to your overall health and fitness, and give yourself a time frame, you're setting yourself up for success. Now let's talk about weightlifting. It's not just about looking good in the mirror, although that's a nice bonus. Weightlifting contributes significantly to achieving your fitness goals. It improves muscle tone, increases calorie burn, and enhances overall health. Strength training is a potent tool in your fitness arsenal. It's not just for bodybuilders or athletes, it's for anyone who wants to feel stronger, look better, and live healthier. Remember, every successful fitness journey starts with a clear goal. Now you've got your fitness goals in place, it's time to dive into the world of weightlifting. Weightlifting is more than just lifting heavy objects off the ground. It's a refined skill that requires proper form and technique to prevent injuries. Think of it as a dance where every movement is calculated, every muscle is engaged, and every breath is synchronized. Let's start with the basics: the stance, the grip, and the lifting motion. Stance is crucial. It's your foundation. For most exercises, you'll want to stand with your feet shoulder width apart. This position provides balance and stability. Imagine you're a tree. Your legs are the roots, anchoring you to the ground while your upper body is the trunk, flexible but firm. Next, we have the grip. Your hands are your connection to the weight. A firm grip not only helps you lift the weight but also engages your arm and shoulder muscles. It's like shaking hands with a friend, firm enough to convey trust but not so tight that it becomes uncomfortable. Now, the lifting motion. This is where the magic happens. It's a delicate balance of power and control. Power to lift the weight and control to guide it. Always remember, your body should move as one cohesive unit. It's like conducting an orchestra, every muscle has a role to play, and they all must work in harmony. But weightlifting is not just about lifting weights. It's about challenging yourself, pushing your limits. This is where the concept of progressive overload comes in. It's a simple yet powerful concept. Gradually increase the weight, reps, or intensity of your workout over time. This continuous challenge triggers your body to adapt, leading to muscle growth and strength increase. Weightlifting is a journey, not a destination. It's about progress, not perfection. So take it one step at a time, one rep at a time. And before you know it, you'll see results. Remember, mastering the basics is your first step towards success in weightlifting. With the basics under your belt, it's time to get familiar with some essential weightlifting exercises. A well-rounded weightlifting routine includes a variety of movements that target different muscle groups. And these 4 exercises, squats, deadlifts, bench press, and overhead press, do just that. Let's start with squats. This classic exercise is a full-body workout, but it particularly targets the glutes, quads, and hamstrings. With your feet shoulder-width apart, lower your body as if you're sitting in a chair, and then push up through your heels to return to standing. Remember, it's crucial to keep your back straight and your core engaged throughout the movement. Squats are great for building strength and stability in your lower body and core. Next up are deadlifts. This powerhouse move works your entire posterior chain, including your hamstrings, glutes, and lower and upper back. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and hold a barbell in front of you. Bend at the hips and knees to lower the barbell towards the floor, then push up through your heels to return to standing. Be sure to keep your back straight and your core tight. Now let's talk about the bench press. This upper body exercise primarily targets your chest, but it also works your shoulders and triceps. Lie on your back on a bench with a barbell held at chest level. Push the barbell up until your arms are fully extended, then lower it back down to your chest. It's important to control the weight and avoid letting it drop quickly. Last but not least, the overhead press. This exercise targets your shoulders, but also engages your upper back and core. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and hold a barbell at your chest. Push the barbell straight up until your arms are fully extended, then lower it back down to your chest. Remember, keep your core engaged and your back straight. These exercises, when performed correctly, can help you hit your fitness goals faster. They're the building blocks of any good weightlifting routine, and they're sure to help you build strength and muscle across your whole body. You've got your goals, you know the basics, and you're familiar with the exercises, but there's one more key component to successful strength training: rest and recovery. Now let's talk about rest days. They are not lazy days, but rather crucial elements of your weightlifting routine. Why, you ask? Well, when you lift weights, you're actually creating tiny tears in your muscle fibers. It's during rest that your body repairs these tears, making your muscles stronger and bulkier. So, without rest, there's no growth. But rest isn't just about taking a break from the gym. It's also about ensuring you're getting enough sleep and providing your body with the right nutrients. Sleep is when the magic really happens. Your body produces growth hormone, which aids in muscle recovery. And of course, nutrition plays a key role. Consuming protein helps repair and build new muscle tissue. Remember, your muscles don't grow in the gym, they grow during rest. So, what have we learned today? We've delved into the world of strength training and muscle building, highlighting the importance of setting smart fitness goals. Remember, these should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. We've also underscored the necessity of mastering the basics of weightlifting. It's essential not just to lift the weights, but to do so with proper form and technique to avoid injury. Moreover, we've explored a variety of essential exercises that target different muscle groups, ensuring a balanced workout regime. Don't forget, it's not about how much you lift, but how well you lift it. Lastly, we've emphasized the role of rest and recovery in muscle building. Your muscles need time to repair and grow, so give them the break they deserve. With these tips in mind, you're now ready to embark on your strength training journey. Remember, consistency is key and every rep counts. See you in the gym. Wait, before we wrap up, we'd love to hear more from you. What fitness goals are you setting for yourself? What challenges are you facing in your strength training journey? What other fitness topics would you like us to cover in our upcoming videos? Your insights and experiences are valuable, and we're here to support you every step of the way. So join the conversation in the comments below. We can't wait to hear from you, and remember, every like, share, and subscription goes a long way in helping us create more content just like this. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, keep lifting, keep growing, and keep pushing your limits. Remember, your fitness journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay strong.